Here's to the end of a busy week.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's so nice to relax. Tea. What are we doing for tea?
It's such a beautiful evening. I fancy a barbecue.
I'm with you, but it's a bit big. There's only 2 of us. Do we have to?
You know that box that arrived earlier? It might be the answer.
Okie dokie. You find the box, I'll have a beer.
This is the barbecue we'd been talking about.
It is. I recognise it. This is the one we saw in November, isn't it?
It is. It's the barbecue from nomadiQ. Okay, here we go. Instructions.
Don't need them. It's a man thing.
Little carrying handle.
Plastic things.
What comes to those?
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like a handbag.
And you know how much a woman likes a handbag.
I do.
You know what? It's not particularly heavy. The box was heavy, but it's not heavy, but it feels solid.
I love the size of this. I was captivated by this when we saw it in the shops in November. We've done a lot of research, and this is going to be amazing.
It's the bee's knees.
It is.
Do bees have knees?
Some do.
Okay.
So I think, if I remember correctly,
the feet go out.
the feet go out.
The bits at the end twizzle. Yep, that's it. Just me being a whip.
And that's it. Wow, look at that.
Oh, well, look at that. That's
The
great.
size of that cooking surface for something so small.
Yeah, brilliant. It came with other goodies in the box. Let me get them. Some of these were the optional extras. That's the gas.
Let me tell you about this. This is the gas pipe which attaches to the back, which goes to the portable camping gas style gas bottles. However, what they've sent you as well is this is a camping gas for the bigger camping gas bottles.
Oh,
so rather
okay.
than the little tins, this is an extender for the bigger camping gas bottles. So we can use it with our bigger gas bottles as well.
The ones we have in the camper van.
Yeah, they also do one where if you've got an external connector, gas connector on your camper van, you can connect it to that as well. They do a longer one.
That's clever. This is... Oh, I'm just opening everything. It's like Christmas.
It looks like
It's
a
so well
barbecue
packed,
case.
I've still not got in it. Here we go.
So you didn't need to take a bit of the top off.
No. Oh, look, it's a little body jacket for it.
Cool, it's like its own little wetsuit.
Full. Excellent. That's when we're out and about with it. These are non-stick mats. Oh, okay, so they'll
So
go
they
on
go
there.
on here, so perfect for doing veggies.
And this is...
So we can replace one of these griddle pans if I can
that
get
way.
it up.
Yes, that way.
I have to wobble it. So that replaces one of these with one of these.
Oh, perfect, that's easy.
So I can have eggs in the morning.
Oh, little things that would fall through the holes.
Yeah.
Excellent. Eggs.
Fried eggs.
Right, so let's set it up and see if it works.
Before we do that, we need to tell you that we've done a lot of research on this barbecue.
We have.
We absolutely have, and we were about to buy this with our own money. However, nomadiQ have sent us this to try out and test and provide our feedback on it. So,
And we will give you our honest feedback.
and it will be our honest feedback, because we were about to go out and buy this with our own real hard-earned money.
Yes.
So I'm loving the idea of this little barbecue. I'm loving the idea of a barbecue tonight. You can go and chop some veggies. I'll get this set up.
Perfect.
While Helen's prepping the meat and veggies, I'm going to put this together, and it looks incredibly simple.
But it comes with instructions.
I'm a man, we don't read instructions, you know that. This is really clever because you've got one hose for each of the burners. Screw to connect cartridge. We are using nomadQ's portable gas. So, okay, we are connected. Now before we turn it on, let's take a look at what we've got here, because it really is incredibly clever. There is a huge cooking space on there for such a tiny little burner. So let me just take you through a couple of things here. We've got the ignition button right at the bottom. These are the locks which lock the cooking surfaces out, and we have controllable burners for each side, which is really, really good. Underneath, we've got these drip trays. They were the plastic things that I rather comedically pulled out and go, oh, we've got some plastic stuff. They're really good. Look, they are just simple. They have little tabs on the bottom, and those tabs fit in these little recesses. Super simple design. Look at that, solid, not going anywhere. Drips come down here, fat drips into the drip tray. It comes with two of these cooking surfaces. This is an optional extra, the hot plate. It comes with a connector for the gas. And again, you can use nomadiQ's gas or you can use a camping gas option. So you have either or. Simple as that. One click and we're done. So what I've done is I have put the heat-proof cover on one side. This is going to be our veggie side. This is our meat side. I'm just going to spritz a bit of oil onto the surface we're going to be cooking directly onto, just to help it out a little bit. Beautiful char marks. Who doesn't love a char mark?
I love a char mark. I love the fact that it's a barbecue, so you're cooking.
Well, there is that to it. Listen to that sizzle.
You're sizzle obsessed.
I am sizzle obsessed. What's the point of a barbecue without A, sizzle, and B, a beer? Now I agree my beer's got no alcohol in these days. Still tastes good. But you can't take the sizzle away from a barbecue.
Nah.
Well, that didn't take too long, did it?
Didn't take long at all, and it's gorgeous.
That looks like a veritable feast.
It was very easy. Cheers, chef.
Cheers, and we'll catch up with you
when we've
eaten this feast.
Well, that was delicious.
That was a bit, wasn't it? As you can probably see, as usual, our eyes were bigger than our tummies.
Yeah, but we ate far too much.
We did, and yeah, we should have saved more, but when it's this good.
But it was so easy, and the barbecue is so small and compact, we could take it on a picnic.
We could take it to the beach.
We could take it when we go away in our camping car.
We absolutely could. We're off to Le Mans next week. We'll definitely take it there.
Yes.
So catch up with us there, because we'll show you some more fun cooking with that there. But I like in the beach idea, 2 bags, a nomadiQ bag and a cool bag.
That does it for me.
I had your
Definitely.
bag, didn't I?
You had me at barbecue. Right, we need to clear up.
We need to clear up. We need
clean
to,
it.
Let me rephrase that. You need to clean it.
You cooked, I clean. Okay.
You didn't really think I was going to leave all the cleaning to Helen, did you? So Helen's doing the grills at the moment, and I'm just going through and just cleaning the inside. Yeah, now obviously this is the side that we did the veggies, so it's a lot less dirty, but it is incredibly easy to clean. You'll see down here there are 2 Phillips screws. If we want, just unscrew those, and then we can take the whole burner out and get to the bottom to clean it. I'm just going to whip the burner out because it's going to make cleaning it an awful lot easier. How easy is that? Just lifts out. I'm literally going to spray this with the cleaner that we use to clean everything. So we'll give that a moment. What you can see here, look how everything is disappearing down into the drip trays. That's how interesting I can make cleaning a barbecue.
So a quick wash in hot soapy water. What we have learned from today's exercise is that one side came out a lot cleaner than the other side. So if you're going to be basting your vegetables or meat with John's famous barbecue sauce, maybe use a mat that they provide you with, because it just makes it that much easier. We're now going to get it ready for when we go on our picnic. The little regulator and pipes can go in this front pocket. Oh, I think these will fit in as well. Perfect. Put its little jacket on. Oh, now that's lovely and easy. Zip it up, pop its feet in, put its carry strap on. That's me.
You're ready to go.
I'm off for a picnic. Bye.
What girl doesn't love a bag? When you unpack the grill, you'll see a QR code attached to it. If you scan this, it will take you to nomadiQ's website, answer a couple of questions, basically about what you'd like to see features added, pop in your email address, and you get a 3-year extended warranty. What's not to like about that?
I love everything about it. It's so easy to put together. It's so easy to take it out and about with us. It's everything we'd hoped it would be, and probably a little bit more as well.
It is good. I like that it's got a bag because it keeps you happy.
You're
always happy when you've got a new bag.
I like a new bag. I love the fact that it's so compact. It's easy, sling on your shoulder and take out and about with you. The only other thing you need when you go is the gas cylinder.
Very true.
And the food.
Oh yeah, but can't go anywhere without food.
True.
Anyhow, you've got to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching along with us. We've been having great fun with this, and we're going to have some more fun with it, so keep an eye out for that. But until then, thank you very much for watching. Usual stuff.
Give us a like, subscribe.
What do you think?
Put in the comments.
Do you think that it would find a home?
Okay, until
Thanks
next
again.
time.
We'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye-bye.